Wondering what cryptocurrency is and how it works? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. The number of cryptocurrencies has exploded in recent years, and estimates suggest there are now more than 1,500 in existence. Trading on this market can take place 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, what is the Forex market? Foreign exchange, also known as Forex or FX, refers to the global over-the-counter market, OTC, where traders, investors, institutions, and banks exchange, speculate on, buy, and sell world currencies. Trading is conducted over the interbank market, an online channel through which currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Forex is one of the largest trading markets, with a global daily turnover estimated to exceed $5 trillion. Anyone who is remotely interested in learning about crypto or Forex would be interested then in taking part in some form of trading. As it gets more and more mainstream attention, newer players want to enter the market and get their slice of this worldwide phenomenon. When paired together, cryptocurrency and Forex trading have the ability to bring a non-mainstream fashion of earning income to mainstream homes around the globe. And this is where Novatech aims to revolutionize the industry. Novatech's sophisticated MT5 trading platform allows even the most novice investors to start trading cryptocurrency and Forex with ease. Novatech combines the latest in artificial intelligence and expert advisor robots, engineered to help automate the process and generate profits even in the most challenging markets. Remarkably, Novatech has been able to develop this platform with the ability for users to also build a business by simply sharing the experience with friends and family. Novatech is taking on the industry by storm. Finally, the business solution the world has been looking for. Visit our website at novatechfx.io to start your experience now. Novatech, invest in your future.